Hi there everyone, welcome to Engineering Preetham. Today in this video, I am going to show you something. Maybe this video is the first video on this topic where I will show you how you can connect Creo to Claude. So here on the right hand side, I have opened Claude Cowork, and let me ask this a question, which is Creo Parametric currently running on my system? And here you can see it is running and reachable on your system, and it is asking me want to check what's active in this session, like the current model and loaded file. I'm gonna say yes, why not. Creo Parametric is talking to Claude. Now I'm gonna say, well, this is a jig and I think the parameters are set up are not correctly. This jig does bending. I would suggest you to set up all the required parameter appropriately by yourself. And let me show you what parameter right now it have so that I really can show you. So there are no parameter, and let's see. First of all, it's going to load the existing parameter, and seems like there are nothing set up. And this is what exactly we saw just when we checked for parameters. Now the Claude code going to write parameter for us. All right, and seems like the parameters are now written in Creo Parametric, which we can see it here as well. So that's really awesome, guys. I mean, this is exactly what I wanted. Now here, if I, let's say, want to create BOM and want to export it as Excel, I can do that. I want you to generate BOM and create it in Excel. And seems like it have read it as bomb. All right, so let me do that now and let's see. And there you go. All right, so I am interested in opening this BOM in Excel, and it really have created BOM in a way that most of the companies can easily read it, which is really awesome, guys. Now let me talk about how this thing work. All right, so here if I go in file setting and in developer, you're gonna see this CREOSON, this is running. So basically what we did here is we are talking to PTC Creo Parametric via MCP port. And what makes this whole thing so special, Creo itself have not launched it yet. And that's why, this video is, I am pretty sure, is the first video where I am showing you how you can connect Claude using MCP port to PTC Creo Parametric. And the thing is, you may not be able to directly connect this to PTC Creo because PTC Creo as of now do not understand what MCP is. But what Creo Parametric understand is CREOSON. CREOSON is an open source plugin or extension available for absolutely free in internet. All you need to do is you need to download this, and even to use CREOSON, you need to have JLINK installed, which is a part of PTC Creo Parametric installation process. So during that time, we need to make sure that we have selected JLINK. Now after, when we start this CREOSON session, what happen is CREOSON can talk to PTC Creo over this JLINK. Now the thing what we did here is we created a bridge between CREOSON and Claude. And the way we did is we use Python, and this particular script if anybody want, I can provide you this script, which basically create a bridge between CREOSON, which only understand JSON, while the Python script that we generated is used to create connection between Claude AI and CREOSON. Claude since only understand MCP, which is Model Context Protocol, while, as I said, CREOSON only understand JSON. So what basically is happening is Claude Desktop is connected through MCP using bridge server, and that bridge server is talking to or translating that MCP request to HTTP JSON request, and then CREOSON is talking via JLINK to Creo Parametric. And that's wrap up this video, guys. Hope that you find this helpful, informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Preetham, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.